We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return this video, smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we have ADA, Cardano, and we're going to break down some information and news and data that has happened in the last few days and the price action based off of 42 Vision on the 30-minute and on the 1 day. But before we do and we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. Every single stock I mentioned turned out to be a home run. And if you trade stocks apart from crypto, you may want to check out the link down below in the description to the Discord to gain access to it. Check it out, and we're going to jump right into it here with ADA Cardano. So the home runs of the day were spectacular. Every single stock I mentioned this morning turned out to be a home run. And as the S&P 500 index continues to struggle to get back up to all-time highs and portfolios are in the red or sitting sideways, I will continue to look for opportunities daily, and you're more than welcome to join us. I would like to invite you to join us. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So the stocks I was watching this morning was AEMD, WIMI, and ONTX. And we're going to go ahead and see how these performed on the charts. And this right here is ONTX. Caught this one in the pre-market as it was pulling downwards, and it took off to a highest point in the day of 25% plus, and it gave multiple jumps of 10 to 20% before reaching those highs, as well as WIMI. We caught this one in the pre-market sitting sideways. It dipped a little bit and it took off to a highest point of 20% plus at its highest point of possibility. And this one was going constantly upwards after that slight dip before the market open, and at the market open continuing towards that 20% plus move. And then we have AEMD. This was strictly charts, no news, just volume and charts. Caught it in the pre-market, started to move up 5 to 10%, pulled back down, and took off for a 25% move plus in its highest point of possibility. And this happened in a matter of minutes for each one of these. All it took was about 15 to 30 minutes on every single one of these to hit these highs. And this is something you can become part of as well. And even if you don't catch the full move, because it will take some time to get the hang of it, especially if you're becoming new to day trading, but just making 2 to 3% can make all the difference. And I know that 2 to 3% may sound small, but it adds up. I mean, 2% per day out of the whole entire opportunity that actually moves up 25% plus in a matter of minutes to get started. That is a good goal, because in a week, that's 10%. And in a month, that's 40% up. Think about some of your positions that are just up 5%, 10%, not doing much. And then you can work your way up towards 5% per day, 10% per day, because this is what we look for daily, guys. Opportunities like these every single day. And with 42 Vision, which is also something you can gain access to as well, in the 42 Vision tier level, you can see where there's weakness in the charts and where there's strength to maximize on the opportunities. If it's something that interests you, you're more than welcome to join us, and we look forward to having you join us. Check out the link down below in the description, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with ADA Cardano, and we're going to talk about what made it go lower in the last few days, as well as the catalyst that is bringing it back up. And we're going to break it all down here. We're going to look at it as it's trending. Is it one of the most visited, and where it stands? And here you can see with 42 Vision on the 30-minute chart how things are going into weakness and how they're reversing back up with strength. And on the 1 day, we can also see here how this pullback has been a pretty drastic one, pulling it back down towards a little bit below $2, but it's trying to bounce back up. And this may be a point of reversal. We got to watch this carefully here, because with 42 Vision on the 1 day, it is still in weakness area and it could get worse. And on the 30-minute, it's trying to bounce back, like consolidating and bouncing off those bottoms, right? So we got some things to look at here, but let's talk about some price predictions and projections, as well as where ADA stands as it's trending and most visited. So ADA Cardano is trending as number 2, okay? It's in the top 5, top 3 as number 2 and trending. and that is a good sign that a lot of people are paying attention to it. And the market cap currently is 71 billion. Okay, that is something to be aware of as well. And we're going to break down some things in just a moment. And then the most visited, right? It's in the top 10. Okay, Shiba Inu and Ethereum are right below it. Shiba Inu is actually going up in the ranks here, as we could see it as well. We made a video on that one before. But Cardano is right there ahead of Ethereum and Shiba Inu, and it's in the top 10 here, giving it that spotlight of the possible opportunity to push up even higher, because a lot of investors are paying attention to it and visiting it. But let's go ahead and look here at an article, and we're going to come right back to this area here with the market caps of Cardano possibly hitting a specific price target based off of this analysis and this article itself. So here we have, will Cardano make it to $4 by the end of this year? So this is a very speculative approach and hype, okay? Hype and speculation go hand in hand to create opportunities, and basically they're stating that it could eventually reach $4 by the end of the year. Now, some people are saying $4 to $5, but $10 is not going to be seen this time around at the end of the year. It might happen in the near future, years to come, but that is one of the most bullish price targets I've heard of for Cardano, and a lot of people are starting to see it as a possible thing. But $4 right now is not that far from the most recent high, right? It proved to be accurate that it could reach $3. That was one of the predictions that was made, and it did it, right? So now they're stating that it could reach $4 by the end of 2021. And I'm going to show you guys how this is possible, okay? So Cardano right now, when you look at it, it's number 3 by market cap, right? And it's right under Ethereum and Bitcoin. This is literally like the 3rd largest by market cap, and it's lost a lot of its market cap in the last few days, because this was in the 80 millions and even 90 millions, almost at 100 million compared to Ethereum's market cap, right? So, and I said million, billions, guys, sorry about that. This is in the billions. So if the market cap was to reach 150 billion, then it would become a reality, and that would be possible. So that is not that far from where it currently sits, but that would be half of Ethereum's total market cap. So that is something to be aware of and pay close attention to. But as Ethereum and Bitcoin continue to go higher, I mean, Cardano could follow, right? The whole entire market follows each other, and being number 3, it's just going to continue to allow it to push up everything else below it and push itself up with Ethereum and Bitcoin hand in hand. So this article, I mean, states it all. It breaks it all down. I'm not going to go ahead into much detail, but it's just talking about how these analysis price targets have been given by these analysis and experts, and they reached the $3 mark, and now they're bullish enough to say it's going to the $4 mark. And the highest point that we saw this reach was 310, okay? So they're basically aiming for 90 cents more than what they stated last time, and this broke out from $1.45 to $3 in a matter of just a few weeks. So they may not be off this time around. They may be thinking that this is going to continue. So I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, how you feel about ADA and Cardano moving forward. Are you bullish on it? Do you think $4 is attainable? As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.